Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you now how to solve the problem of your Android phone not ringing out each time you are having incoming calls. So let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your dialer. The next thing you want to do is to click on setting icon. The next thing you want to do is to make sure you go ahead and click on sounds and vibration. So it's going to take you right here. If you are using dual SIM phone, what you need to do is to work on each of the SIM one after the other. So I'm going to click on the first SIM right here. So you can see set of ringtone right here. But unfortunately, your ringtone was set to be none right here. And as a result of that, anybody that called this line, the incoming calls will not ring out until you switch to a particular ringtone from here. So what we want to do here is to switch from none right here to any of the ringtone right here. So what I'm going to use to do is to choose this particular ringtone now. It's that simple. Once you select a ringtone, it's going to be effects. So once you select a ringtone, it's going to be effect. You can choose as many as possible ringtone right here. Depends on what exactly you want. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.